Hey, Rooted in Faith family. So I'm out in the garden, and today, well, I looked at the tomatoes that I healed yesterday, and some of the sprouts are coming out. So I'm gonna add some more dirt to that pile. But today I am going to fertilize and water. That's what I'm gonna. It's my task for the day. Okay. So I'm gonna get a little bit of dirt. To heal this back up. I don't know, maybe that was extra sprouts. Because one of those spots, I don't remember there being a sprout. Okay, so maybe that was extra sprouts. I don't know. But okay, so I'm gonna have to water that again. Um, so now I'm going to fertilize. So I decided I need to start like a diary so that I can remember like when I last fertilized and all that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start a diary so that I can keep track of that. I thought I had got a bigger one of those, but I'm not sure. I am not sure. I'm gonna use this fertilizer. I've got a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but I'm gonna use this one today. I found this at Ollie's. Um, so this is what I'm gonna use today. So what I'm going to do is uh, sprinkle it. Well, I'm gonna sprinkle it and then scratch the dirt up a little bit to kind of get it under the dirt or in the dirt, in, under, I don't know. And then I'll water. Oh, let me feel. This might be, no, that needs to be watered. I was trying to see how much. Oh, wait a minute. Looks like something has been digging in my tomato plant. That's about to tick me off. Because what? Okay, I'm gonna get a handful of dirt and fill in this hole. There is a entire hole in here. Something has been digging. I guess. Ah! I guess they said ha 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 to your to those bird spikes. It has just ticked me off. But that is one of the downfalls of, well, I won't say downfalls, I'll say one of the fights in gardening is you have to fight pests. But I am ready for it this year. So I'm not saying bring it, but I'm ready. Oh, this I worked really hard to amend my soil this year, and I can tell the difference. I can tell the difference. So I actually, okay, so yesterday when I was recording, I had issues with storage. So I went today and upgraded myself. I don't know. Once these get bigger, I may not be able to use this method that I'm using to fertilize, but it's what we're doing for right now because the roots will be uh, bigger, more established. I don't know what I want to call it, but yeah. So I may not be able to use this method soon. I'm gonna put a little spot of dirt because the pod that I used is exposed. It's coming up out of the ground, and I don't want to displace it, so I'm gonna just add some dirt on top of it. So there's that. Um, I sure wish I knew what was digging around in this here pot. Because what you're not about to do is join me in eating my tomatoes this year. Absolutely not. I really thought these spikes, these bird spikes, I thought were the solution, but I guess not. But it's okay. I am going to figure it out, and I got something for you. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm gonna have something for you. filling in the dirt where whatever it was, dug an entire hole. Now I'm kind of feeling like I need to do some research, but I'm kind of feeling like um I need to trim that some of these leaves at the bottom of this tomato plant because I think I kind of feel like I did that last year. And this is why I guess I need a diary. And then I could look back on what I did. But there's always YouTube University, right? Put these back in. Some of these critters are bold. I know the birds are because we originally bought these for the gazebo. And why have the birds built a whole nest on top of the spikes? Now, how crazy is that? They said, I got something for y'all. You think you getting ready to keep us out? My husband said he told them if they didn't poop on the furniture, he would let them stay because we got rid about three. Well, I'm not we. He did because I didn't get rid of anything. About 3 or 4 birds' nests in the gazebo. So far, that's been working, I guess. The talk works. I try to coexist with nature because technically I'm in their space, right? This is a lot drier than I would like for these seedlings. I probably should have did a little something when I was out here yesterday. I'm gonna see if this method of fertilizing works, or even if the fertilizer itself, because this is not what I bought last year, but I don't remember what I bought last year. Again, this is why the diary would be helpful, because I could go back and look. But I didn't do it last year, so I'm gonna water these. Oh, change the setting. Mist. Let's go with mist. And I was thinking for the beds, because that would be a much bigger, that's a much bigger um, surface to water. I think I'm gonna invest in a sprinkler. And when I get ready to water the beds, Just attach the sprinkler and sit it down in there. Um, Cause it takes a little minute. Oh, let's cover that up. It takes a little minute to water that bed because I normally get my homemade garden seat and sit down and water that. It's a little cool today. We did have some sun earlier. I am and compared to my home, the house, I'm up what I call up on the hill because it is a hill. Um, because this gets full sun. I before I planted the garden this year, my husband was kind of suggesting that I plant down there, but I'm glad I didn't because again I'm out here winging it. But I was out there one day and probably mid afternoon it was shade, so I'm glad that I kept it up here. And then I didn't want to I don't want to be down there with his grass because I don't want any issues with that. Because if I want to expand, I can still. I don't plan on expanding, but if I wanted to, I can still expand further down there. This still needs some more dirt. Oh, did they take the dirt somewhere, or what happened? Because even if you, maybe this is it down here on the ground. I don't know. Well, that wasn't even the one. So they were digging in this one too. It just wasn't a hole. Oh, I see. Because I picked up, I'm getting the picture now. I picked up a bird spike. They kicked the bird spike out of this one, is what they did. Because this is it right here. And half the spikes are messed up. What did they do? Chew it up? Now listen, animals, I need y'all to leave my stuff alone. That's it. Oh my goodness. There is a situation. I gotta look and see is that on the inside or the outside. There are a lot of gnats or something under the net here uh, of this bed. Ugh. Okay, another issue I gotta deal with that I had not planned on dealing with, but this is part of nature, part of gardening, right? The unexpected. I'm gonna I think I'm gonna research neem oil again because last year when whatever was eating um, my lettuce and stuff and cabbage, I used neem oil, and I'm gonna research that again and see if that will also deter like squirrels or rabbits or whatever is getting in there. Okay, that I really believe this potato bed has some more sprouts. Hold on. And then I do have a sprout down here, but like I said, I'm gonna let that grow a little more before I heal that. I'm gonna come around here so you guys can see maybe a little bit, just a little bit. And before I finish fertilizing these other uh, plants, I am going to uh, I'm gonna check on this bed and see what's happening because I don't know what all of this is in here. And whatever it is, I don't need it in there eating my plants up. I'm gonna bring y'all close so y'all can see what I'm seeing. It is a lot. And I'm assuming they're trying to get out because they're all over the net and not down in the dirt. Okay. Now, let's go over here. I'm gonna turn the motion off on the stand. I assume that's off. You see all of that flying in there? I don't know what that is. Or whatever it is, I'm about to free it. I don't like it. Now, if I start screaming and run, because I am not for real nature, in real life. Get out of there. Hmm. I don't know what it was or where it came from, but yeah, and I can't tell because my basil looks kind of brownish. I don't know. The broccoli is all. curled up. It was down. Oh, they down there too. They down here too. Oh, gross. Look at that. I don't know what's happening. Cause how did all of y'all get in there? I'm wondering, maybe I should just leave this off. I don't know. Because they're not in the other one. I don't know. Because I don't even know what it was. Maybe they were flies. Maybe a fly laid some eggs in here. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, I have to figure that out. I have to figure that out. Because I don't see him in that other bed, which is weird. So it was just over here. Yeah, I think I'm a maybe leave it uncovered. Hmm, for a day or two, maybe. Yeah, I'll have to a day. I'll leave it uncovered for a day or two and watching and see what happens because that was weird. So okay, well I am going to finish my task. Um, words of wisdom for the day: grace. Offer people grace. Um, we're living in a time where people don't want to offer people grace, and people are crashing out everywhere they go. I don't know what's going on, but I try to be um, sympathetic and offer grace. I'm not gonna say sometimes more than I should because God offers us grace every day. Okay, because I'm not all that great, and He offers me grace. So, um, word for the day is grace. Offer people grace. Okay, be great. Rooted in faith, family. Catch you in the next video. Subscribe, like, and share. Okay, thanks for watching.